afternoon, students. In this online class, we are going to continue our lesson Unit 2 Optics. Students, we know that optics is the topic which deals with the study of light. And also we have seen the properties of light. So there are nearly 8 properties. So very important detailed answer. Let me once again recall properties of light. We know that the first property is light is a form of energy. This is the first point. And then light travel along a straight line. So first one, light is a form of energy, and then second point, light always travel along a straight line, and then third one, light does not need any medium like solid, liquid, gas. So even it can travel through vacuum. And then fourth point, the speed of light in vacuum or air is c equal to 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second. And then fifth property, light is in the form of wave. We know that it travels in the form of wave. Hence it is characterized by the wavelength lambda and then frequency nu, which are related by the following equation: c equal to nu into lambda, which is nothing but frequency into wavelength. And then sixth property, different colored light has different wavelength and frequency. So visible light, which contain colors from violet to red, so violet light has lowest wavelength, and then red light has highest wavelength. So red light can travel through longer distance when compared to violet light. And then when light is incident on the interface between two media, so it is partially reflected and partially refracted. So this is important topic which we have saw in our last online class. So today we are going to our new topic, refraction of a composite light, dispersion of light. So composite light is nothing but our sunlight, which is known as visible light. Students, we know that sun is the fundamental. So important 1 mark question. Sun is the fundamental and natural source of light. So if a source of light produces a light of single color, it is known as monochromatic source. Mono means what? Single or one. So if a source of light which produces a light of single color, it is known as monochromatic sources. So on the other hand, a composite source of light produces a white light which contain light of different colors. So here is the definition for composite light. So composite source of light produces a white light which contain light of different colors. So it is known as composite source or composite light. So sunlight, another 1 mark question, very important 1 mark question. Sunlight is a composite light which consists of light of various colors or wavelengths. Another example for composite source is a mercury vapor lamp. So, natural source of composite light is sunlight, and an artificial source of composite light is mercury vapor lamp. So, what do you observe when white light is refracted through a glass prism? Students, when a beam of white light or composite light is refracted through any transparent media such as glass or water, so it is split into its component color. So this phenomenon is called as dispersion of light. So important 2 mark question, what is mean by dispersion of light? So dispersion of light is nothing but when a beam of white light or composite light is refracted through any transparent media such as glass or water, it's split into its component colors. So this phenomenon is known as or called dispersion of light. Here the band of colors is termed as spectrum. The band of colors, red, blue, green, orange, like that, a band of colors is termed as spectrum. So this spectrum consists of following colors. The spectrum consists of following colors. So what are they? They are violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. So this is the spectrum which consists of following colors. So these colors are represented by acronym called WIBGR. So why do we get the spectrum? When white light is refracted by transparent media, students, because different colored light are bend through different angles. So this angle of refraction is different for different colors. So that's why we getting different colors. We know that what is mean by refraction? The bending of light rays from one medium to another medium. So here let me give example that prism. Take prism. When light travel from air medium to denser medium. So here denser medium is nothing but prism. So the light will bend and then we will get different angle. So that's why we get different colors. So angle of refraction. So is the smallest for red and highest for violet. So another important 1 mark question, angle of refraction. We know that wavelength is greater for red color. It is very least for violet color. But here the question is angle of refraction. Angle of refraction is the smallest for red color and highest for violet color. From Snell's law, we know that Snell's law is nothing but sin I by sin R. So Snell's law, we know that the angle of refraction, the angle of refraction is determined in the term of refractive index of the medium. So hence the refractive index of the medium is different for different colored light. So this indicates that the refractive index of the medium is dependent. It is not independent. So it is depend on the wavelength of the light. Students, now I am going to ask question from the topic dispersion of light. So first question, which is the fundamental and natural source of light? So which is the fundamental and natural source of the light? So answer is sun. And then question number 2, what is mean by monochromatic sources? So answer is the source of light produces a single color is known as monochromatic sources. And then third question, so what is mean by composite sources? So because our topic is nothing but refraction of a composite light or composite source. So third question is nothing but what is mean by composite source of light? So composite source of light produces white light which contain light of different colors is known as composite source or composite light. And then our next question, so give example for natural source of composite light. So answer is sun. So sunlight is the natural source of composite light. And then our next question, so which is the artificial source of composite light? So answer is mercury vapor lamp. Mercury vapor lamp is the artificial source of composite source or example for artificial source of composite light. So and then another question, what do you observe when white light is refracted through a glass prism? Students, the white light will split into its constituent colors are 7 colors. So here the given, so any transparent media such as glass or water, it split into component colors. And then this phenomenon is known as called dispersion of light. And then another question, what is mean by spectrum? So what is mean by spectrum? So the band of colors is termed as spectrum. And then what are the colors consist of spectrum? So violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red are the colors which consist in the spectrum. So and then the order or the color are represented by acronym WIBGR. And then different colored, so the spectrum is because of the bending of or the different color light are bent through different angles. So that is the angle of refraction is different for different colors. And then another important one mark question, angle of refraction is smallest for red and highest for violet. And then our last question is the medium. So the refractive index of the medium is different for different colored light. So this indicates that refractive index of medium is independent on the wavelength of the light. Students, our next topic is scattering of light. Scattering of light. So when sunlight enters the Earth's atmosphere, so very important, Earth's atmosphere, the atoms and molecules of different gases present in the atmosphere refract the light in all possible direction. So once again let me explain you. When sunlight enters the Earth's atmosphere, the atoms and molecules of the different gases present in the, we know that the atmosphere contain nitrogen, oxygen, helium, like the different gases it consists. So the atoms and the molecules of the different gases present in the atmosphere refract the light in all possible directions. So this is called as scattering of light. And then in this phenomenon, the beam of light is redirected in all direction. So when it interacts with a particles of medium, so the interacting particles of the medium is called as scatterer. Students, this is the picture to show scattering of light. See in this picture, the incident light, so which is nothing but sunlight, enters the atoms and molecules of different gases, and then so which is present in the atmosphere, and then it refract the light in the all possible direction. So see here the arrow marks is indicating that it is scattered in the light in the all possible direction, and then this is called the scattering of light. So the beam of light is redirected in all direction which is interact with the particles of medium. So here the interacting particles of the medium is called as scatterer. Students, up to scattering of light topic is enough. So remaining topics, types of scattering, we will discuss in our next online class. So thank you. Have a nice day. Kindly go through the topic and write the important question in your classwork note or far note.